Hi, I'm Jacob Eddy,
I'm Zachary Reyes.
and this is our game, Andromeda Trail. So the premise of our game was to create a Oregon Trail-like space game, inspired by games like FTL and other space roguelikes of that type.
And the engine that we used was the Unity 3D engine.
Often I'm asked why I picked gaming to study. I have always been interested in storytelling, and I wanted to be deeply involved in the tech industry. I started out as a computer science major, and I didn't see this storytelling creative element that I was really deeply desiring. And so then I also jumped on the computer simulation and gaming train, where I could fuse the tech and the storytelling together and really bring those two worlds together, art and tech.
I've helped spearhead the project. I've designed the sim on paper and also did a technical document to outline the objective system that it uses. And with a team of about 5 to 6 students, we started assembling it over the summer, and work has been going strong since. We are now to a team of, I think, 9.
I think it'll be a nice tool for the university to be able to use for their med students. I think it'll give them a good opportunity to be able to practice their simulation in a much lower stress environment than it would be if they were just going straight into it and having to run it. But I think also it kind of shows a lot of other uses for VR simulation that could potentially be used in other fields.